At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a nail supply business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and market trends. Identify the demand for nail supplies in your area and online. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, product range, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as your roadmap for success and will be essential if you plan to seek financing or investors. 3. Legal requirements. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. 4. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers for your nail products. Consider factors such as product quality, pricing, shipping times, and minimum order quantities. You may also want to establish relationships with multiple suppliers to ensure a steady supply of inventory. 5. Inventory management. Determine which nail products you want to sell, such as nail polishes, gels, acrylics, tools, accessories, etc. Start with a curated selection of high-demand items and gradually expand your inventory based on customer feedback and market trends. 6. E-commerce platform. Decide whether you want to sell your products through a physical store, online store, or both. If you choose to sell online, set up an e-commerce website or utilize third-party platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. 7. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity for your nail supply business, including a memorable name, logo, and visual elements. Create a marketing strategy to promote your business, such as social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and attending trade shows or beauty events. 8. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Offer fast shipping, easy returns, and responsive customer support to ensure a positive shopping experience. 9. Networking and partnerships. Build relationships with nail technicians, salons, spas, and other businesses in the beauty industry. Consider offering wholesale pricing or partnership opportunities to attract bulk buyers and increase your reach. 10. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, new products, and customer preferences. Regularly evaluate your business performance and make adjustments as needed to stay competitive in the market. Starting a nail supply business requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for the beauty industry. By following these steps and staying focused on providing value to your customers, you can build a successful and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.